Welcome to WebStarPlus. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Translate. You can translate text, PDF, or images by using Google Translate. To do that, search Translate on Google. You can use Translate app right here. Type or paste the text to the left panel. It will auto-detect language and translate into English. You can select source and target languages as well. For example, let's translate it into Hindi language. And there it is. Now we can paste this text here and it detected Hindi and we can get its translation into English or in any other language that we choose. But if you want more out of this app, go to translate.google.com by clicking this official link below. It offers better tools for translation. Change input and output languages from above. There's a wide range of language selection available here. And here is something cool. You don't need to type. You can draw by clicking this pencil icon. And then press send button. So you can handwrite something and it will be translated to targeted language. You can also click mic button and speak to type something. That can be translated also. My mic is right now busy, so I cannot use it. If you have image or document to be translated, that can also be done. Click images button, upload image with the text. I have this image with some text. Let's upload it. Drag and drop, and it is translated to targeted language. We can also get it translated to any other language that we specify, and then we can copy the text or download translated image. To translate documents, click Documents button. Provide any supported documents such as a Word file or PDF file, and it will be translated as well. Let's translate it to Spanish as well and provide a PDF file. Click Translate button, open translation, and here is the translated PDF file. We can also download it from here. If you want to translate a website, click Websites button, select Target Language, provide the website URL, and click arrow button to translate the web page. And here is the result. Detected English language and translated to Spanish. We can translate it into another language as well. So you have got a set of tools here to translate in a variety of ways. You can translate websites, documents, images, or text. And this is how you can use Google Translate effectively. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.